Okay, so this is your warm-up for today. Just pause the video, see if you can figure it out, and then I will kind of show you what's going on. Okay, so if we're looking at our original polynomial right here, okay, and then we know that this is one of its factors. In order for this to be a factor, the remainder, oh man, that's bad, hold on one second. Okay, the remainder has to be 0. So when we do this problem, we just want our remainder being 0. So let's use synthetic division, definitely. And because I have a -2 here, I'm going to put a +2 in my half box. And now I'm just going to go through and write my coefficients here. So I got 1, -2, a, and -8. I don't need any placeholders because my exponents go from 3, 2, 1, and then 0. So I don't need any placeholders. So let's do synthetic division. Down 1. 1 times 2 gives me 2. 2 plus -2 gives me 0. 0 times what's in my half box, which is 2, gives me 0. 0 plus a gives me a. 2 times a gives me 2a. Now if I add my last column, okay, they're not like terms, so I just have to leave it as 2a minus 8. Now what we're saying is the remainder needs to be 0, so this guy has to be set equal to 0. So if I do 2a minus 8 equals 0, that will give me 2a equals 8, a equals 4. So now what I'm going to have to do is, well, what's going to be the remainder if I do, if I divide it by x minus 4? So I'm going to put 4 in the half box. But now with my coefficients, I know what a is. I know a is 4. Okay, so now when I bring down the 1, 1 times 4 is 4. 4 plus -2 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 times 4 is going to be 48. 48 plus -8 is going to give me 40. And that is my remainder. So that should have been your answer. D should have been your answer for that. Okay? So if you have any issues, just kind of rewind the video and see if you can kind of figure out what I did. If not, always just email me or... yeah, just email me probably is the best way to do it. I will probably try to set up some kind of video chat sessions just in case you're really, really struggling and you kind of need me to kind of walk you through it and be able to talk to me rather than just keep emailing me back and forth. Okay? All right. So this was just the warm-up. There will be more videos. Okay.